Nagpugas ako ng pinggan. No, but the biggest mistake I've ever done when hindi naman yung mistake by the Mrs. Argo, when my father is still alive, I was not able to
Lakasan mo nga.
seryoso ka. Wait, my self. I was not able to tell him how much because I admit that I was very spoiled at that time. And I was not even talking to him when he's parang may kausap kasi. Parang gulo kasi yung luha. When he died.
Gusto nga tumingin sa taas.
When he died, somebody's calling me. And I answered.
Ala, yun.
Oh, sorry. Somebody.
Somebody. Patay na sila.
I was screaming and like that. Oh my God! As in talaga, pagtitigil na kami na classmate ko napan. Sinampal-sampal ako. Kasi yung sinasabi ko na daw, susunod na ako. As in na, almost na state na kung kagdan. Kaya doon ako una na-depress. Hindi naman sa mistake siguro, yun yung rate. Kasi nga, I'm attached to it. That's all. Kaya, ang advice ko habang buhay pang mga sa buhay, because you cannot take things back to the way. Because in life, walang rewind or forward. So, let's play.
Pabuyan sa amin.
Thank you.
Life is so beautiful.
O, yan.